Hey guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. Brad here, good to have you back. And I wanted to just quickly say thank you for subscriber count, about 134,000 today. Today, we need to concentrate on something else, and that is getting my deck outside over the water redone and getting some furniture on it. So today we're gonna look at that on Supercar Street Racing. Hang out with us, it's gonna be a cool show. Guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. Today we have a few things to talk about. One of them being getting my deck outside over the water, my dock, redone completely because I noticed in the last couple of months some of the boards were getting kind of soft on it. So what I did was I went ahead and found someone to do the work. I was not wanting to actually go do it, and since I don't have a truck, it's difficult for me to get wood from the store. So what I did was I used the same guy who did my gates. His name is Ray. Him and his buddy went and checked out the dock. They measured it out, and at the same time, one of my big goals was to see if I could get this enlarged at the same time. Now they were able to do that, so you're gonna see here when we take a look outside what exactly they did to replace all the wood on the dock and then also expand it. Let's go take a look. All right guys, we are out here on the new deck. As you can see right here, the carpenters could come in and they replaced my deck with actual 2x4s and then 2x8s. This is 10 feet now going this way. They actually expanded the dock as well. This is 8 feet going this way, and I just bought furniture for this. All right guys, you just saw my new dock outside. Now basically, when those guys came to replace my dock, they took all the boards off the top. Those were just deck boards originally. They took them all off. They looked at all the stringers underneath. They inspected the posts. They did find that the stringers all needed to be replaced. They went ahead and replaced those. And so that means everything underneath the deck boards, the long 2x6 boards that connect the posts all the way back to the bulkhead, were all replaced underneath there. And a few things were added on each side also so that it could be expanded. Now they did expand the dock by 1 foot on each side. That's pretty good. Like, I needed a lot more room out there. So now the next step is to show you guys what we have to do to go ahead and protect that deck from the sun, the water, and the wind in Florida. Let's take it outside and show you what we used on the wood to protect it. My job today, and you can see right here, I've already done 2 coats. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep all this off and go ahead and put a 3rd coat of poly. That's my one mission today, get the 3rd and final coat of poly on the deck. And here come the dog, and they will bark until the owner comes out. Guys, you just saw what we used on the dock to go ahead and protect it from the sun, the wind, and the rain in Florida. We used the Bare polyurethane protector in matte. It is a water-based finish designed for outside, and we did put 3 coats on it. The 3rd coat just went on today. That is going to dry for about 24 hours before we go ahead and put our rug and our furniture out on the dock. Now let's take a look at the furniture we decided to get. We did go out to Florida Backyard to look at furniture. It is a higher quality store, so you know the furniture will last longer. Let's see what we found when we went out to Florida Backyard to look for new furniture for the dock. Look at that dude, sitting in the grass. What's up, dude?
Perfect.
He's coming over. Still kind of wet. I'm gonna let it dry out for like another hour. He's hissing at me. What you hissing about, dude? Yeah, this is still wet. I'm gonna let that dry. All right, we got our new rug right here. I haven't measured it or anything. I just went by eye. That's gonna go right out here on the dock, but I'm letting the dock dry out for like another hour before I put it down. I'll do it right after lunch, right after I eat, because they're gonna be here between 12 and 2 o'clock. That's the new rug right there. Okay, now that everything has dried out sufficiently, it's nice and warm out here. Let's go out here and see if we can get this rug put in place. There is a fence post. There's an entire fence in the pond right here. That's awesome. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't you hiss at me. Now, we got this stuff from Florida Backyard. We replaced the old furniture, we replaced the dock, and we replaced this outdoor rug right here. I'm gonna step back because this lens is very close, but you can see right here, we got the chair, we got the love seat, and we got 2 18-inch tables, and they are looking so fly and so fresh. I love them. Came out so good. But guys, I'm gonna put a link in the description. I got the upgraded material on the cushions as well. I did do the polyurethane coating on the dock as well. I did 3 coats. This guy's mad. And there's a good look at the pond, guys. We had 3 different things done. We made the deck bigger, much wider, so we could put bigger furniture on it. We extended it by 6 inches, and we also redid most of the entire thing and got new furniture. Hey guys, and welcome back to Supercar Street Racing once again. We're here in Studio B, and right in front of me you can see the Polywood Lakeside deep seating set. Now, Polywood has a bunch of different choices for you on colors and also different choices for you on the cushions themselves. You can see right here, this is gray with textured linen is that color. I did go ahead and get the white on mine, and my cushions were actually made by Florida Backyard. They made those for me, and I got the upgraded fabric so that I could get a good waterproof, bleach-proof fabric. You can see right here, this set is only $1,049. I paid around $2,300 for my set with the upgraded fabric. So expect to pay about $2,300 for what I have, which is like a 4-piece set with 2 small tables, a love seat, and a chair. And they look awesome and they'll last forever. When the fabric gets dirty or moldy, you literally can spray it with bleach and hose it off, and it does not affect the color on the fabric. We would have to pull everything off the dock though and get that rug out from under it so we didn't ruin that first. But it's good to know that you can clean those without having to actually take them off the dock and store them inside during times when you're not using them. A lot of people will take their stuff and just store it inside to keep it from getting ruined. I'll put a link in the description to at least one of these types of Polywood furniture. You can go from there and find your own and buy it and use our affiliate links, and it does help us out greatly. Now, we did get these at Florida Backyard. If you are in Florida, go take a look at Florida Backyard. I'll put the address and phone number in the description. They did set everything up for us as well. Now, at the time of this recording, we have 150,897 subscribers. We thank you so much for your support. If you're new here, go ahead and click subscribe and like the video. It helps us out tremendously. Buy everything through our Amazon affiliate links, and we'll see you guys on the next one. We got to get out of here.